Welcome. Today we're diving into a landmark case that, no joke, saved the Indian Constitution.
Back in the 1970s, this wasn't some hypothetical. It was a very real constitutional crisis.
It all started with the 42nd Amendment, passed during the emergency. People called it a mini-constitution.
It basically gave Parliament absolute power to amend with, and I quote, no limitation whatsoever.
But it wasn't just about raw power. It created a clash between your fundamental rights and state policy.
The new law said government goals could now trample over your rights to equality and freedom. The Supreme Court had a great analogy for this. They said these two are like wheels of a chariot.
So, when a government with limits tries to give itself unlimited power, you get a legal showdown.
The Minerva Mills case made its way to the Supreme Court, and in 1980, the judgment came down.
The court's logic was simple but powerful. A limited power can't be used to create an unlimited one.
So they struck down the key parts of the amendment that tried to give Parliament absolute authority.
The decision was 4-1, a clear majority defending the limits on Parliament's constitutional power.
This verdict brought the basic structure doctrine roaring back. You just can't change the Constitution's core.
And judicial review? The court said that's a basic feature too. You can't take it away. The Chief Justice even called these rights the Golden Triangle, protecting us from absolute power.
So what's the big takeaway? Well, the judgment restored the balance of power. A huge deal. It made one thing clear. Achieving national goals cannot come at the cost of your basic freedoms.
Which leaves us with a pretty deep question. What's the ultimate safeguard of a constitution anyway?